Introducing the all-new Leica DISTO D2. Precision, innovation and performance in your pocket. With a range of up to 150 meters, the DISTO D2 is ideal for precise indoor measurements, even over long distances. A bright 4-line display offers clear, easy-to-read data in any light. Effortlessly verify angles in real time, from railings to complex inclined surfaces with precision. Smart horizontal mode helps measuring distances even when objects like walls or staircases block your line of sight. Its long multifunctional endpiece features automatic position detection, making it ideal for precise measurements from edges, grooves and corners. The app's Smart Room feature allows you to create room plans automatically, enhancing your workflow efficiency directly on site. The new triangle area function allows you to measure complex spaces with precision, opening up more advanced measurement capabilities. The Sketch Plan feature in the Leica DISTO Plan app allows you to draw room plans directly on your smartphone. Experience seamless workflows with our new NFC technology. Effortlessly pair and transfer data. The results can be exported as a JPEG file, a CAD file, or as a detailed PDF containing all relevant measurement information. Leica DISTO D2. Make measuring easier. Use the original.